NEOMA Business School, we believe in empowering students to lead sustainability transition. That's why we've created NEOMACT, an innovative initiative designed to help students to unlock their full potential and confidently drive change. NEOMACT is aligned with the 17 Sustainable Development Goals and integrates sustainability in every aspect of learning. It offers students hands-on experience through academic coursework, real-world projects, and personal reflection. This initiative was co-created with students, academic, and partners. NEOMACT is designed through 3 different phases. The first phase is Explore. Students explore school opportunities. With NEOMACT Profile, for example, they discover their strengths through a positioning test. Empower. We help them to be aware of their motivation and power to act, gaining confidence through engaging coursework and projects on sustainability, diversity, circular economy, and Achieve. Students actively lead projects and celebrate their impact, transforming knowledge into real-world action with dedicated events such as the Impact Now Week or NEOMACT project. Students work directly with NGOs on real-world challenges, turning theory into action. With NEOMACT, we are not just teaching sustainability, we are shaping proactive leaders ready to make real, lasting change. At NEOMA, students are leading the transition to a sustainable world.